AI can cater many key pain points of logistics and supply chain. For example, forecasting accuracy, employee skills gap, route optimization, and the proliferation of administrative manual tasks.
I think it can play a lot of roles, so especially in optimizing efficiency and increased accuracy, for example in inventory planning. Big game changer is around increased flexibility and also speed to adjust to all sorts of changes in the market.
AI plays already a very significant role when it comes to optimization of supply chains, especially applied through automation. We can see that human operators can operate large fleets of robots. If you just think about loading and unloading operations, historically, one person to one forklift tie is now expanded to one person operating the entire fleet of vehicles.
Amazon is a great example. They have an entire fleet of mobile robots that is handling their entire warehouse operations, basically, which results in lower cost and less errors. But also Walmart is a well-known example. They use AI in their customer experience. They use it to optimize their demand. And we as Vanderlande have also implemented AI-based predictive maintenance that allows them to effectively plan their maintenance schedules and increase the throughput of their facilities so that we as customers get our packages more accurately.